Welcome back, craft enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll be exploring the wonderful world of air-dry clay and creating an adorable teddy bear. Start by taking a small amount of air-dry clay. Once it's ready, form a large ball to shape the body of our teddy bear. Then, for the head, roll a smaller ball. Gently press the head onto the body, ensuring they stick together firmly. Don't worry about perfection, as clay allows you to correct mistakes easily. Set your clay teddy bear aside in a cool, dry place. Your air-dry clay teddy bear is complete. Whether you want to display it proudly on a shelf or gift it to a loved one, this project is sure to impress.